Hey everybody, it's Dr. Group, and today I have a special message, and it's about the censorship. I've been on the phone with many other scientists, doctors, healthcare practitioners. This is an urgent issue. So I just popped my camera open and figured I would just talk from the heart. When I worked with a team of scientists 20 years ago to find the root cause of disease, opened up a cancer clinic, using these type of natural protocols, started spreading the word about no disease is incurable, how the body has a self-healing mechanism and is able to get rid of or create balance within the system. Many of us have been censored in many ways. I've known doctors that have been killed. I've known doctors that have been censored, that have quit practicing, that have had their licenses taken away from them. It's not medical freedom we have in this country. It's medical tyranny we have in this country. And when it comes to the point where we're not even allowed to say the truth, we're not even allowed to speak our mind through social media, this has become a very serious issue for me. I am an American and I have roots. My great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather was the original writer of the Constitution, Pelatiah Webster. I was in the military. I love this country. I love the globe. I love the world. I'm a man of God, a man of family. And all I want is the best for everybody. All I want is the best for all of us to be able to choose what we want to do, to be able to speak our mind. I've been saying this, and many other doctors have been talking about this for 20 years, except in the last 3 years or so. And we haven't, some of us have come out and talked about it. We have been heavily censored. Most every natural health site has lost up to 90% of its traffic from Google in the last 3 years, organic traffic. All of the health articles, natural health articles, things to that sort have been censored, pushed down. If you search for anything on Google these days, natural remedies for this, natural remedies for that, you have to go to the 4th or 5th page of Google to find anything natural. You know, we've been under the stronghold of the pharmaceutical industry, the big agricultural industry, the oil and gas industry, all of the things that poison us, the telecom industry, that poison us, hurt us emotionally, physically, spiritually, and it just has to come to an end. I mean, I've had it with the tech giants, the Googles, the Twitter, the Facebook, the YouTube, all of these platforms, Wikipedia, that say that they have fact checkers. Their fact checkers don't know anything. I mean, we're out there, all of us, dedicating our time and our lives to pulling up the real facts, to pulling up the real information, all the lies that you're being told on a daily basis through the media. We're the ones that have been risking our neck, the ones that have had death threats, the ones that have been followed around for months in black vehicles, the ones that are being censored. That's where the real information is. That's where the truth is. You're not going to find the truth in the mainstream media. I'm sorry. And my whole thing is, you don't need to believe me. I'm giving you the research. I provide you with the research. Yes, I take hours. We've spent 20 years, all of us, going through and determining what's true and what's not, and following the breadcrumbs and following the power and following the money. The suppression of truth is at an all-time high right now. It is a violation of our civil rights. It is a violation of the Constitution. And we are bonding and bringing together a group. When we're divided, they're winning. These powers are winning. But when we become one, when we unify, that's when we create a lot of fear in the power and the greed and all these evil corporations and social media giants that are trying to control what they believe is truth or what they believe is lies. And they are labeling it as conspiracy theories when a lot of these things aren't conspiracy theories, they're truth. Look at Project Mockingbird. I mean, look at the CIA. All that's declassified. Type it in Google. I mean, those are the declassified documents that show the propaganda behind the media. There's only five or less companies that own all the media. They're controlled for what they want you to hear. Our schools are controlled that your kids are in. Shouldn't it be our freedom to be able to speak whatever we want to speak? I've decided that I'm going to band together with many other individuals, and we're going to try to expose and try to bring truth and freedom back into everybody's life and uncensorship. Please, we need as many people as we can supporting us right now in this fight against censorship and free speech. This is what I believe is true, what I believe can help resurrect and educate. It's all about education, really. It's all about just, we're the ones doing the research. I'm the ones doing the research and just providing that for you to make a decision. I'm not saying think one way or another. I would hate to have someone tell me how to think. All we're asking for is choice. We're asking to not be censored, to abide by the Constitution that our forefathers put into place, to not be a victim of censorship, and to be able to share what we feel is the truth with everybody who wants to go down and listen and sign up. So please join me. Go to All Social. You can download the app on the App Store. It's All Social. Follow me, Dr. Group, and thank you for everything that you've done, and thank you for helping join us all in this fight against censorship, medical freedom, and having your own choice when it comes to what you want to put in your body, and preventing anybody from putting something in your body in a mandatory situation that you don't agree with. It's all about freedom. It's all about America. It's not red. It's not blue. It's red, white, and blue. Thank you.